How to remove Pro Features error while exporting video on Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Capcut on a device. Then go to your project. Now first of all, tap on AI Ultra SD at the top right corner. Now simply disable this toggle. Now tap on watermark. Now select visible. Now simply go back. Now if you are not using any other Pro features, now select the effect which is giving out error. Now tap on delete. Again add the same effect. Now tap on next and tap on export. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.